In this video, I'll show you how to rotate text in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file and selecting the cell or range of cells that contain the text you want to rotate. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Format option. From the drop-down, look for Rotation. You'll see several rotation options such as Tilt Up, Tilt Down, and Vertical Text. Simply click on the option that fits your preference. If you want more control, click on Custom Angle. Then enter the exact degree of rotation you want, such as 45 degrees or 90 degrees. You can also use the toolbar shortcut by clicking the text rotation icon, then selecting your desired rotation style. Once selected, your text will instantly update and display in the new orientation. And that's it. You've successfully rotated text in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.